Hi, I'm Carol Harrison. I'm here with Josh. He's a dad to some young soccer superstars, and he knows the struggles of eating on the run.
Yeah, we're all too familiar with the drive-thru.
Oh goodness, well let me help you out with some big batch cooking ideas.
Great.
On the weekend, you can cook up a big batch of ground beef, freeze it in a single layer, bag it, store that in the freezer. Then during the busy week, scoop out what you need to make protein-packed meals that are kid-friendly and everyone will love.
All right, perfect soccer fuel.
Let me show you a quick meal idea. Korean beef lettuce cups. I've warmed up 3 cups of the big batch ground beef and added some Asian flavoring. Now we just fill up our cups with the iron-packed beef, add the toppings. That looks so good and delicious.
It's quick and easy, even my kids could help.
Hey, you can pull this off on a busy weeknight and still make it to practice on time.
Perfect.
For smarter cooking ideas or to download the Sports Nutrition Primer, fuel up for fun, visit thinkbeef.ca.